Hello friends! Is your cruise control acting up or not working at all? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0570, this means there's an issue with the cruise control resume signal. This can be frustrating, especially if you rely on cruise control for highway driving. So, what causes this issue, where is the sensor located, and how do you fix it? Let's break it down. What is P0570? The P0570 code stands for Cruise Control Resume Signal Malfunction. When you press the resume button on your cruise control, it should bring your car back to its previous speed. If the Powertrain Control Module doesn't receive the correct signal from the resume button or related sensors, it triggers P0570 and can disable cruise control. Common symptoms of P0570. Cruise control does not resume after pressing the button. Cruise control stops working completely. Check engine light is on. Other steering wheel buttons may also stop working. If you're facing these issues, let's find the faulty component. To diagnose P0570, check these key components: cruise control, resume button. Location: on the steering wheel, near the cruise control buttons. Clock spring, steering column wiring for cruise control. Location: inside the steering column, behind the steering wheel. Brake pedal position sensor, BPP sensor. Location: mounted near the brake pedal arm under the dashboard. If this sensor is faulty, cruise control may not resume properly. Clutch pedal position sensor, for manual cars. Location: near the clutch pedal, detects when the clutch is pressed. PCM, Powertrain Control Module. Location: usually in the engine bay or under the dashboard, processes cruise control signals. Wiring and connectors. Location: running from the steering wheel buttons, brake sensor and clutch sensor to the PCM. Tip: if other steering wheel buttons, like horn or volume, also stop working, the clock spring might be broken. Common causes of P0570 faulty cruise control resume button. The button is not sending the resume signal properly. Broken or worn clock spring. Interrupts communication between steering wheel buttons and PCM. Defective brake pedal position sensor. PCM doesn't detect the brake signal correctly, affecting cruise control. Faulty clutch pedal position sensor, manual cars. Cruise control fails to resume when the clutch is pressed. Wiring issues or corrosion. Broken or loose wires stop the resume signal from reaching the PCM. PCM ECU malfunction. Rare, but if the PCM can't process the resume signal, it may trigger P0570. How to fix P0570. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm P0570 and check for related codes. Step 2. Test the cruise control resume button with a multimeter. If it doesn't work, replace it. Step 3. Inspect the brake pedal position sensor. If pressing the brake is affecting cruise control, replace the sensor. Step 4. Check the clutch pedal position sensor, for manual cars. If cruise control won't resume properly, replace it. Step 5. Inspect the clock spring if other steering wheel buttons aren't working. Step 6. Check wiring and connectors near the brake and clutch pedals for loose or corroded connections. Step 7. Reset the PCM and test the cruise control system after repairs. Ignoring P0570 means your cruise control won't work correctly. This could be frustrating and make highway driving less convenient. Fixing it early keeps your car safe and functional. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0386, crankshaft position sensor B, circuit range performance P0387, crankshaft position sensor B, circuit low like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.